Are you hoping to make that perfect Hausa Koko recipe that is very smooth, not lumpy, but perfect, just like how you're seeing on the screen, with a touch of puff puff or buffet? Oh my goodness, you are the right place, because that is what we are going to share today. If today is the first time here, welcome. And if you've been watching me for some time now, welcome to you as well. Before that, I soaked my millet over night. Okay, so we have types of millet, and this one is the ash one. This is what is very common, or we usually use in Ghana. Okay, we have the red one and then the yellow one as well. Yeah, so before we proceed, you make sure you bring out any stones and then you wash your millet very well. My returning subscribers and followers, you are amazing for staying with me from the beginning of this channel till now. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for your time here always. If today is the first time here, welcome once again. Please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. And then we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. If you want the recipe in Tree language, please check us out on YouTube, Recipe Goddess. Okay, we share recipes there and then we use the Tree language to explain it. Okay, we can be using Ewe as well, fancy. So subscribe to that channel and it is going to be fun. Thank you so much. Now this is how I wash it, and then I'm making sure to separate the stones from it. With this particular millet, oh my goodness, it was absolutely clean, very very clean. Yes, but with some, oh my goodness, you need to clean it very well. So I have chili, pepper, negro pepper, I have cloves, ginger. Yeah, I'm just going to blend everything with the what do you call it, the millet. I added some water to it, so it depends on how spicy you want your Hausa Koko. Okay, now after blending it, I am just going to strain this very very well. Be assured that we are going to make this step by step, and we just want you to understand it perfectly. Okay, so be patient and then stay with us. Okay, now this is what we have. We are just going to squeeze the milk from the ingredients that we blended, and you don't have to pour the thing in plenty like this. Okay, it was absolutely a very big work for me. I should have done it bit by bit, but knowing very well that my hands are very tiny, look at what I did, and it was very stressful. So please, if you have tiny hands like myself, just do it bit by bit. Even if your hands are big, do it bit by bit. Okay, but see, I suffered. Oh yeah, so take your time and then do it bit by bit. Okay, finally we are almost here, but this was actually the second one. Okay, the first one I struggled, it was too much. Oh my god. So this is actually the third one we are doing, and then we are done with everything. If you've watched me to this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video, share to others, leave me your comment in the comment section. Should my voice has become very higher than the beginning of the video, forgive me. Okay, I'm just trying to overcome the noise that is around me. That is just by the way. So now we are done with everything, and this is what we are going to do. I'm just going to pour this in my container, cover it, leave it on the countertop overnight, and then we can proceed. Okay, so we are waiting for the main food or the fiber to separate itself from the water. Okay, yes, so it will separate, and when it separates, I'll be with you. That will be the next day. Okay, yes. So the next day you can see that the water has separated from the fiber or the food itself, and it has fermented. Okay, yes, look at the down there, it has fermented. Now I'm just going to pour the water from it, and then we can continue with the process. The liquid looks that color because the spices I added was too much, and not that the people I'm preparing this for, they offended me. That is why I wanted to play them wicked. No, but to be honest with you, the pepper was too much. It was spicy. That is why the color looks like that. Okay, but when it is normal or just like the one on the roadside, not very spicy, you'll get the color to be ash. The porridge is going to be ash in color. Okay, so with this that we have here is the water we separated, and we put it on fire to boil very well. After that, we off the fire, and then we add the food or the fiber we separated from the water to it. You make sure you mix it very well to become watery before you add it to the water on fire. Okay, and this is what we have. Yes, absolutely perfect. But when the spices are not too much, the color is going to be ash. So do not be worried when you prepare it and you don't get this color. Even the next one that I will be preparing, I won't get the color like this because all the liquid got finished that day. And the next one that I'm going to prepare, I will just put normal water on fire before I add the fiber or the food. I hope you understand. Now I have with me here my 1.5 cups of milk, and I'm just going to add a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. Use any sugar of your choice. You are perfectly okay. Mix this very well. Keep it in a warm place for 20, 30, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on the temperature at your end. Okay, and this particular day, oh my goodness, even 1 hour, look at it, it wasn't that very active. I was fed up. The place wasn't that hot. Okay, even though I live in an extremely hot place. Okay, the place I live is very hot, but this particular day, oh, it wasn't working. So I added 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour. I added the sugar according to my taste. That was about 3 tablespoons. I added my vanilla. I didn't forget my nutmeg. So add nutmeg, vanilla. If you don't have nutmeg and you have vanilla, you are good to go. If you have only nutmeg, it's okay. If you have cinnamon, it's okay. So use any flavor of your choice. At this moment, my small madam is helping me. She wants to prepare the puff puff, but the hands are tiny and the butter was too much for for her. So I told her another time I will let her do maybe some in a smaller quantity. So you mix it very well, and then you are good to go. Look at how smooth it has become. That is the outcome we are looking for. It looks brown because we use brown sugar. If you want to use white sugar, you are good to go. Look at that, absolutely perfect. I have a lot of puff puff recipes, different types, which you can go through the videos and then watch for me. Thank you so much. Now after mixing it, we are just going to keep this in a warm place till it increases in size. Okay, and as I told you earlier, that day it was wahala day. It took hours before it increased in size. Okay, because the place wasn't warm like that. Now this is how we drop the puff puff. You drop it just like how you're seeing on the screen, but I am comfortable with dropping it in between my thumb and then the next finger to my thumb. Now I have oil on fire. It is hot. I tried with one and it is hot already. I'm just going to start dropping, and then we are good to go. If you can't drop it this way, just get a spoon or the ice cream scoop and then scoop and then drop. You are good to go. Since you are not going to sell it, anyhow it looks, it's okay, it's perfect. Okay, we are just concerned about the taste, but if you are going to sell it, my goodness, it needs to be very presentable. So you try and then drop it like this. Now this is how it looks. When the other side is well fried, you just flip it to the other side, and then look at that. Absolutely good. Just look at it. Perfect. So we are just going to pair this with the Hausa cocoa. You can enjoy this like that without the Hausa cocoa. You can pair it with your tea or any porridge, and then you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I am so grateful, and don't forget, please, to share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section, and I'll be happy. See, very chewy and then soft. Perfect. This was after some hours. Okay, now I will see you in the next one. You can't afford to miss it, so please click on the bell icon if you haven't done so. I will see you soon. Bye bye.